So I love the top. Look at all the pecans. They are cute. It took a lot to make all those. I just had enough to cover the loaf. My batter was getting thick, partly because I was soaping a tad too hot and the fragrance accelerated a little bit. So I just didn't get the swirls, and the brown, which I'm hoping will darken, should with the fragrance, we'll see, was thicker than the gold and the white. So it made for some really weird swirls because one was thick and one was really wispy. And yeah, it's not awful. It's just not, I mean, I'm gonna cut the other loaves and see if they're any better. Like this was the one inside. I'm gonna cut the middle. Usually the middle's the best. Like that's not bad. It's just not gorgeous. Right? It's fine. It's cute. The soap is cute. It smells good. The pecans are awesome. I'm just an overachiever. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the other loaves and see if any of those give me some better results.